Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So wanted to show you, so a lot of our customers, especially our first time customers, they come to us for an oil change, okay? And so we're gonna literally walk you through our process that we have of getting acquainted, because we simply don't want to do business with just anybody. I can honestly say I have the very best customers. But the way that process works is, for instance, this customer here driving this GMC pickup, it came in for an oil change. We're also going to do a walk around visual inspection of the vehicle to see if there's anything else the customer deserves to know about that could literally be a safety issue in the future. Maybe it's a maintenance problem, maybe it's an oil leak or a coolant leak or something like that. So my technician has already started draining the oil on this vehicle. We're also going to pay attention and notice I've literally got a tie rod that has a broken boot right here. So that would be something that we would bring to point out to the customer. So that's part of how our process works, part of how we build trust. We're literally going to show you the most important thing that needs addressed on your vehicle because we care.